welcome to Seed Planting with Katia Plant Scientist. You might be wondering, what is a makeup compact doing in ye old greenhouse where I have all my spring garden seeds sown? Well, there is a secret inside that makeup compact. Spoiler alert, it's not makeup inside. It is seeds. So I have found that if you take seeds of plants such as tomatoes, like that's what we have here, these are sprouting tomato seeds. You can see it's a seed with a little root hair just poking out. What they need to sprout is warmth. So in order to give them a head start, I put tomato seeds on a piece of damp paper towel or filter paper inside a small container, and then I put this on top of the hot water heater in my home. A more conventional approach would be to use the laboratory-style Petri dish. As you can see, it's a similar setup with the names of the different tomato varieties written on there. However, if you don't have a handy supply of Petri dishes, but you have a lot of these old makeup compacts, this is a great way to reuse them as seed sprouters. I'm now going to show you how to plant a seed properly. So what we do is we take this I like these little mini spatulas, so you make a little hole that's about, 1 centimeter deep or so. Then you carefully take one of your sprouted seeds with a pair of tweezers, and you bring it over and pop it right into there so it's in contact with the dirt. There you go. Then just take your little spatula and gently cover it up. Don't smash it down too hard. Just make sure that the dirt is covering it, but it's not too smashed down, so it will be easy for the shoot part of the new tomato to burst through. Thank you for joining me, and happy planting this spring.